I am here on behalf of the government of Jamaica to welcome you home, Adrianna, to welcome you and your dad home. And I know it might seem strange, but we're so very happy and excited. To all of these people you don't know, we are also very happy and excited to meet you and to welcome you home. We commend your strength, we commend the light in you that has definitely contributed to your recovery. We remember feeling so proud when your doctors said how strong you were, that you were strong in mind, you were strong in heart, you're strong in body, and they gave thanks to God for that, and we give thanks to God for that as well. So we give God thanks to welcome you here.
Good evening, everyone, and today is a day that is so emotional. I'm a man of words because I do music, so I used to the audience and the crowd, but today I'm like, no speech. Speech is like limited, but I'm so happy that I'm here with you guys that are put together and me and my daughter, Sam Marina Foundation, St. Joseph, James Burn Center, and Shriners Hospital in Boston. Everybody that's come on board. All right, and I must say, JetBlue, first class, yeah, just all the way. All right, and thank you all.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!